Hey everybody, Mark here. Welcome back to the channel. Wanted to bring you another video for ITP. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how to turn $100 into $500 per day using the quantitative trading strategy. And you can do this without recruiting anybody. So you don't have to go out and post on social media. You do not have to make videos or shorts or reels. As a matter of fact, you don't even have to exist, and you can still make $500 per day using this website, okay? Now, if you're not familiar with what ITP is, I have several videos on it on my YouTube channel, but in a nutshell, this app that you see right here, this carries out quantitative trading using artificial intelligence to search the market for cryptocurrencies at a low price, and then it sells that same currency on different exchanges at a higher price. This is also called arbitrage. Now, to do this manually, you would need, you would need to go out there and search all the exchanges to find the best price differences to make a profit. But by using quantitative trading, all of this is done for you right on this platform. So now, how long has this been around? Well, the ITP Technology and the Corporation was founded back in 2013 in Seattle, United States. And so it's been around for almost 10 years now. Now, this particular platform that you see right here, this has been out since December of 2022. So, we're going on about 11 months now from today's date. And all that information's down here. It's been running continuously. The continuously operating days is 3,866. And the current operating running capital at the moment is in the billions. All that information here, all the documentation on what quantitative trading is, everything is inside of this, this platform here. Now, this is totally mobile compatible, and they do have a way, if you search the Google store, there's a way to access and get availability to the mobile app version. So if you do want to use this on your phone, which is kind of like what it's designed for, however, I'm on the desktop now, and it still works just as fine. For those of you that just like to sit down and use your computer on the desktop, this is just going to work just fine. So before I move on, I just want to say that I'm not a professional financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So please do your research first and your homework before investing not only in ITP, but any platform out there for that matter. Do not invest more money than you're willing to lose. If you put some money in and you lost it, and if you don't think you're going to be able to sleep that night, well, it's probably going to be too much money. So this is only risk capital only. And so I'm enjoying my experience with this particular platform so far. I don't have no problem putting in $100, $200 in here, which is what I have done. And so far it's been working great for me, flawlessly. So, but let's go ahead and jump in here and let's talk about the goods and how everything works. And then a little bit later on in this video, I'm actually going to show you myself doing some live trades. Now, this is a pre-recorded video that I did earlier this morning of me coming in here and performing the live trades. So I'll show you that in just a moment, and you can see it's going to be so simple to do. So over here, let's go over to the first level, and this is called the G1, which is the first level. When you come in as a free member, you register for the very first time, you're going to be a part of level number 1. So the minimum amount that you can deposit is going to be $100. Now, with that $100, you can earn 2.5% per day. Okay, now looking at this, there are some limitations when it comes to each of the different levels. Now, that's not necessarily a bad thing. Okay, I guess if your income or if your financial goals are more than $15,000 a month, then I guess in some way the first level would be a limitation. If you're okay and you want to have a goal to make $15,000 a month, I'm going to show you how to do that with level 1. So I think that's a really nice income, a full-time income, especially, even to live almost anywhere in the world. $15,000 a month or $500 per day is a really nice living income. When it comes to the first level, you are not required to do any type of recruiting and you do not have to build a team. So you come in, let's just break this down really easy. So you come in with $100. You start earning 2.5% per day using the system, which I'll show you in just a moment. Then you compound those earnings, and once you reach that $500 a day mark, which is the limit, or $15,000 a month, then you can just keep doing this over and over again, and you do not have to recruit anybody, and you can maintain that $500 a day reoccurring revenue. So let's jump over to the compound daily interest calculator. This is one that's over on compounddaily.org. And so let's just put in here $100 inside of the calculator. And I'll zoom in here a little bit so you guys can see this. And daily interest rate in percentages, well, that's going to be 2.5 for 2.5%. The length of terms, this is not even going to take a year, guys. I'm just going to put 250 days. Daily reinvest rate is going to be 100%. And yes, we can also include the weekends. So this is all crypto. So this is 24/7, unlike, the stock exchange or something like that, where you can only trade Monday through Friday. This is crypto, so we get to utilize all the days of the week, which is awesome. So I'll go ahead and make sure I'll click on calculate now. And I've already done this before, so this is just a summary of what I've entered into the calculator. But looking over here on the spreadsheet, you can see the earnings grow slowly over time, and you can also see the total principal grow as well. So what we're going to do, though, is we're just going to scroll down. And this is just $100. Okay, I've put a little bit more into the platform. I've seen some people put $2,000, $3,000 in there. Okay, but just for the sake of this video and the title and the topic of this video, we're only covering, we're only talking about $100 here, guys. Okay, so let me scroll down and we're going to get to that $500 a day mark. Okay, so here it is, which seems to land somewhere on May 24th of 2024, and that's not even that long away. So we're finishing up this year here. We're going to hit November and December. It'll be over with. Soon we'll be into January, and next thing you know, May's going to roll around. So I think this is a pretty good goal to shoot for. May 24th of 2024, because the time's going to pass anyway, right? It's just having that discipline to open up your app every day and running those 5-cycle trades by pushing the button. And I'm going to explain to you exactly and show you how that actually works right on this video. Hey guys, just wanted to jump in here real quick, and I wanted to play a pre-recorded video that I did this morning of me performing the 5 trades. So the audio got a little messed up, but I'm going to go ahead and just do a voiceover. Right now I'm getting ready to perform the 5 trades, and you can see right now it says 5 out of 5, so I have not done this yet for today. You can only do this every 24 hours. So you can see I just clicked that blue button right there, and now it's started the ITP quantification. So we would just stand by and wait. And so this is something that can take just under 5 minutes to do. It doesn't take that long to do all 5 cycles. And it's starting the queuing right now. So we'll just go ahead and stand by and wait for this to complete. Okay, so it's capturing various exchange market prices. And you can click around at other areas of the interface. You can check out your assets or the documentation, and you won't lose your spot within the process. Okay, so it's executing a buy order of BTC on one exchange, and then it's selling the BTC on another exchange. And then now it's gathering together the commissions. So we're allocating commissions. Let's just go ahead and wait for it here. There you go. The execution is completed, and today's commission so far is $1.18. So, and I think at this time I will go over to the quantitative records to show these trades that were performed. Okay, there we go. So over on this page here, and I think I zoom in a little bit on this page, hopefully, but maybe not, I don't remember. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit here for you guys so you can see these trades that were performed on one exchange, Hiobi, and then the price of BTC that was purchased, or the current price of BTC when it was purchased. And then on the other exchange, ZB, the BTC was sold at a little bit of a higher price, giving us a profit. And in return, the profit was $1.18. Now, the reason why we've been able to use that profit is because the ITP Corporation is using 10x leverage. So those of you, if you're not familiar with 10x leverage, that means that it's able to borrow funds. It's able to use 10 times of the amount that I have inside of my assets. So instead of $237, it's using $2,375. All right, so I've returned back to the Quantize page where I can get ready to run another cycle of the trading arbitrage. Let's go ahead and do that again. And so now I'm using number 4 out of 5. Okay, I skipped ahead, so I've made another commission. Total commission so far, $2.37. I can look at the quantitative records. Looks like purchased Dogecoin now over on Hiobi at one price, and then went over to the ZB platform again and sold Dogecoin at a higher price, giving us another profit of $1.18. So both of those two trades together yielded us a total profit of $2.37. And I should get ready here to do this again. There we go. So this is the third quantitative cycle that I'm running right now. There's also deals and different things that are available if you purchase $200. When you come into the program, you will receive a $25 bonus, and whoever you invite gets $20. Okay, so you come in, you purchase 200, so in other words, you'll have $225, and if you do refer or bring anybody onto your team, they will earn 20. And then the next level, if you come in at the $500 level, you will receive a bonus of $50, and then anybody that comes onto your team will earn $30. Also, there is plenty of documentation and reading material if you want to understand more about quantitative trading. Everything's on the website, all the way from back in the 70s, all the history and everything is contained. Okay, so we have 2 more to go. Looks like we're doing another generation, another cycle of the trading. That was pretty fast. I think I sped up the video on this part, but total commission so far, $3.56. And running the last one right now, so starting ITP quantification. I think this is the last one, or no, second to last anyway. I'm getting mixed up here because I'm watching this back while I'm talking over the video. Yeah, there we go. So $4.75. And I've got 1 more to go. You can see it says 1 out of 5. I'm running the last one right now. And there it is. So I've completed all 5. And this has taken, I mean, it only takes like under 5 minutes, 5 or 6 minutes, or even not even that. So just under $6 was my total profit for today out of my entire assets that I have of $237. So there you have it, guys. I appreciate you for coming out. And if you have any questions about ITP, the ITP Corporation, or quantitative trading, please leave me a comment below this video and I'll be sure to get back to you right away. And if you would like to be updated for any future videos about ITP or investment platforms, passive platforms with crypto, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tick the bell notification icon. That way I'll send an update to your phone right away whenever I post a new video. So thanks again. I wish you all the best of success, and we'll see you all on the next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.